Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you must have missed me. Well, I'm back again, and in the last video I talked about a lot of tags. I talked about the heading tag, the head, the body, the image tag, the paragraph tag, line breaks, and so many other tags. And in this video I promised to talk about the attributes. So I have added some attributes to my code. If you guys can remember, this is the code I've been using since I started these HTML tutorials on my channel. And the first attribute I'll be talking about is this language attributes. The language attributes helps to initiate a kind of add the language that you want your web page to be in. For instance, this language attribute here has an en, which means the web page is meant to be an English web page. So the language attribute helps to tell the browser the kind of language the web page is opening is written in. And the other attribute I'll be talking about is the height attribute that I used in my last video. The height attribute, I used it to reduce the size of my image. Like I said, there are so many other attributes, and I'll be giving you a link to W3 School attributes in the description so that you can go and read it up. And I promise to give resources, and W3 School is one of the resources I'll be giving out. You can use it. They have a very nice curriculum for you to practice in, and a kind of a roadmap, very nice roadmap to becoming a web developer. You can study well with W3 schools. They have a certificate you can apply for and pay for it, write the exam, and then get the certificate if you are good. So the height attributes is used to a kind of resize an object, maybe the image or something like that. The other attribute is the source attribute in the image tag, which is used to locate the image. This source attribute now helps me to locate this image that is in the same folder with my HTML file. So the source attribute locates this image here in my folder, and then helps to display the image on the web browser. I didn't mean I have an error in this my source attribute. The alternative attribute, the ALT, helps to kind of give further information about more information about the image once the image is not able to show. So the other attribute I'll be letting you guys know in this video before I will leave you guys is the href attribute, a kind of an attribute that helps you to refer to other web pages. For instance, if I open this on a web browser, sorry, this is how it will look like. This is my image. If my image is not showing, you see the alternative attributes, and this is my link, my anchor tag with my link, and then the href attributes. The href attributes helps me to link this text to a web page. So if I open this, it will take me to this web page that talks about HTML attributes. So I'll be putting a link in the description to this W3 Schools web page so that you can go and look it up. You can go and kind of research and then read up the HTML attributes, and in the next video we'll be talking about something else. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.